What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how not to be the gym asshole. There are many things that people do in the gym that they just shouldn't do. And I'm gonna give you a big list of things that you should never ever do in the gym, and several of them I think are going to surprise you, so make sure you watch the whole way through. Now, it doesn't matter if you're a beginner or if you've been going to the gym for 60 fucking years. Pay attention to this whole list because we're about to talk about all of the things you should never do in the gym. And by the way, if you make it through the whole video and there's something I didn't say, leave a comment with what you think people shouldn't be doing in the gym. 9, 10. Ugh. Well, time to go home. When people don't put their weights away after using them, or if they put their weights in the wrong fucking place, I feel like punching myself in the penis. Ugh. Let's fucking go. Ugh. What's this guy fucking doing? I'm trying to fucking do my shoulders, all right? Huh? Yeah, okay, all right. When you're doing an exercise, whether it's curls or shrugs or lateral raises, do not stand directly in front of the fucking dumbbell rack so nobody else can get access to the dumbbells. Tony, what's up, big guy? No, it's not a big deal. Doctor just said it's genital warts, not a huge problem, you know what I mean? Realistically, you shouldn't be talking on the phone at all. But if you have to talk on the phone, don't put it on fucking speakerphone. Okay, I need some tunes for this set. Hit some play, let's go! But if I were to let you go. Listening to music or watching a TV show or listening to a podcast is totally fine and I strongly encourage it. But if you don't put headphones in your fucking ear holes, I'm gonna lose my shit. Since you've been gone, I can breathe for the first time. Again, listening to music, amazing, go for it. But you shouldn't be the one singing it, especially in a gym. Listen, don't project. Hey buddy, how many more sets you got?
2 more sets.
Okay. I'll just wait here. Still 2 more? You got 2 more now? How many now? Let me know when you're done. I'm just gonna wait here. If you see someone else using a piece of equipment or a machine that you wanna use, you are allowed to ask them how many more sets they have one time. But don't keep asking them over and over and over and over again. Ugh. Ugh. A little grunting and quiet noises is totally fine, especially if you're lifting heavy. But if you sound like a fucking gorilla on meth in the zoo, you've gone too far. Keep it down. Hey, so my name's Johnny Bag of Donuts. What's your name? I haven't seen you come around here before. What exercise is this? What muscle does it work? You trying to improve your cardiovascular performance? Hey, what are you doing on Friday night? If you want to have a conversation with someone and they have headphones in, don't try and have a fucking conversation with them, especially if they're in the middle of a set. Ugh. I feel fucking terrible. I haven't been this sick in years. Better work out. I can't believe I have to say this, but if you're sick, don't go to the fucking gym. By all means, work out at home if you want, but don't go to the gym and get other people sick. And 10. Done. I'm not gonna wipe that shit off. If you're like me and you get sweaty, wipe down your equipment after using it. No one wants to lie in a puddle of your sweat. You know what you should be doing is lifting faster, more explosively. Use your whole body. It works your upper dorsimus better. My dad's uncle, his college roommate, was a personal trainer back in 1937. At least he said he was. Trust me about this. It's better for you. This one's gonna be controversial, but it's the truth, so pay attention. I don't care how bad someone's technique is. Do not give them unsolicited technique advice unless they ask you for it or you work at the gym. The only other exception to this rule is if what they're doing is posing a risk to anybody else in the gym. Then you can say something. Otherwise, keep your fucking mouth shut. Oh, yes, my favorite treadmill. Okay, I'm gonna put my water bottle here just to save it. I'm gonna do my whole strength routine first. It's only gonna take like, what, 4 hours? No one can use this until I'm back. If you want to use a piece of equipment, but you're not ready for it yet, so you take your water bottle and put it on that piece of equipment to save it for later, you're a piece of shit. Don't hog equipment when you're not using it. If you're trying to do a circuit and you're hogging 12 different pairs of dumbbells so no one else can use them at the same time, I want to punch you in the jaw.
Yeah, man, it was a meatball sub.
Meatball sub! Did you guys hear that? The gym is a great place to meet people and build a community. But if you're all in a group and laughing, you don't need to laugh like a fucking hyena. Keep the noise level down.
That's a good hip thrust.
When you're in a public gym, you're going to make eye contact with other people. That's totally fine. But if you just keep staring without blinking and keep looking at someone, that is fucking creepy. Stop it.
Ugh, this is perfect. I'm gonna get the best selfie and such an inspirational Instagram quote. Be your own inspiration, bitch. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Believe in yourself, girl, and anything is possible.
Taking a gym selfie every now and then, totally fine. But make sure no one is in your picture, and also don't take so many selfies and for so long that you forget to actually work out.
Oh, wait, I'm gonna sneeze. Achoo!
We already spoke about not going to the gym when you're sick, but sometimes you just have a random sneeze or a cough, in which case you should cover your fucking mouth. That's it for today's video. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Before we sign off, if you want to enter to win a free month in the Inner Circle, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below, because every video I pick 3 people who do all of that to win a free month in my own fitness community, new workouts every month, new nutrition guidelines, recipes from an executive chef, all of it. And if you sign up for my email list, I pick 10 people every video to win a free month in my Inner Circle. The link is in the description of this video. If you're already on my email list, you're already entered to win. Actually, speaking of which, I need to pick the 3 winners from this video. So congratulations to Stephanie Kennard, 2001, Mike Pavlikowski, 757, and Rand with 2 N's. Congratulations, you all win a free month in the Inner Circle. I have given you instructions on how to get in. I hope to see you on the inside soon. Talk to you soon. Have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed the video. Get the fuck out of here.